talk about what we do, and then we will take you through a brief presentation on what is support elders and how does it work. There are about 85 plus population will most probably quadruple by about 2050. Where the bigger issue will be that 1 in 2 will have Alzheimer's or some other form of dementia, which becomes a problem in ensuring quality of life for the elders. And of course, they have very specific needs, which needs to be kind of covered. And this is clearly shows this is a data from the United Nations population forecast, and it says that if you look at the age of 50 plus for India, it is actually growing at an exponential rate, and so is the age 80 plus and 65 plus, and that is so we need solutions for this segment for this list. A chairman spoke about the socio-economic changes which are happening in the world today, and more so in India. There is be it the changes in epidemiology, medical sciences, change in social and technology innovations, or even the demographic shifts. So these are known to us all. So Support Elders is essentially an organization with a vision to be the leader in customer-directed at-home support for the elderly. Our mission is to be one of the one-stop solutions for all elderly needs. We're providing expert-verified, customized solutions. I'll come to this in detail as we talk. We endeavor to leverage existing technology and service providers to ensure that we have a winning proposition for our customers. Now, that is something which we truly believe in, because we are here to build the ecosystem. We are here to work with almost or everybody who is in this arena, and together I think we are very hopeful, and we have already proven it that we can create winning proposition for our customers. We also believe that our solutions should be relevant, should be feasible in terms and quality and responsive towards our customers are important for our well-being. So if you look at our journey, just a quick numbers, we have impacted more than the lives of more than 1,400 elders till date. We have done about 60,000 plus man hours of service delivered. 800 plus medical emergencies have been handled by us. Army veterans are integral part of our services. This is a very interesting point. I think, where we have actually, we work with the Indian Army, and we recruit in Army veterans. In this room, two of my colleagues are there who are veterans themselves. And across our team, we have about 120 people, team members. Of them, almost 85% are veterans, and it is a very interesting. We recruit directly from the Indian Army, and we work very closely with them. We also act as a single-stop solution for all member needs. And the most important part is that our approach is always member first. Our chairman just spoke about it briefly, but we have more than once gone way beyond our call of duty whenever the need was there. So, for example, during this COVID times, when there was a complete lockdown, for our elders, we not only arranged, pre-cooked food, medical emergency exchange is part of the solution anyway, but we went way ahead in sometimes, many cases where the next of kin couldn't come to the country, to the city. We also managed, did the last rites. As chairman said, dignity in life and dignity in death is something which we truly believe in, and we ensure that that is taken care of under any circumstances. So talking about our services slightly, the most popular one is our medical emergency alert solution. Here the way it is done is that we have a smart wristwatch. We have a two of them. We can give you a demo how this works. So this is basically the watch has a geolocation tracker, so we know where the member is. It is an independent two-way voice communication device. and it is also, it has an alert button. The alert button connects with our alarm centers. We have we have one in Kolkata, we have established one in Hyderabad. So there, it is operational 24/7, and there we know, we get to know who all, which member has called, and all those details are available. And our staff immediately, we arranges, we are there, 24/7 to take them to the hospital, or even if they have fallen down at their home, they need some help there, all that can be done. We also do something called medical logistics management, where the members need more intensive care. We manage and track the complete medical logistics. There's a single point of our end-to-end care. So, for example, a lot of our members, they need support for dialysis, chemotherapy, etc., etc. Because with elders, that's a very, so we take care of the integrated uh, solutions end to end. We kind of figure out what they need, what else to be done, etc. We also have something called remote health monitoring, which is a solution is called Well at Home, where we for whatever our members need, their medical parameters, which the doctors advise them to be measured, those can be done remotely at their own homes, and the data comes to us. The thresholds are defined by the doctors themselves, and all measurements and etc. can be done basis those. We can do some basic things like blood pressure, blood sugar, oxygen saturation, temperature, etc. And also we do, sleep apnea, stress level, out of bed, because that's very important. Somebody has gone out of bed and fallen down, that needs to be tracked and attended to also. So these are more on the medical side and independent living side, but we also take care of the mental well-being of our members, because loneliness is a very important, and depression a very important two things which affects the elders. So we have solutions around that. We call NBC Cognitive Solution in the Silver Circle, where we have a lot of engagements with our members, where we do almost more than 40-50 engagements every day, every month, and those include learning opportunities. Those include movies. Now in the current scenario, everything is online, but we do, when things improve, we do offline as well.